Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing an easy crock pot meal, and it's called MexiCali Chicken, and you serve it over spaghetti. And here are the ingredients in it. I'm going to be using 1 onion. I'm going to be using this cream of chicken soup and a can of tomatoes, some green chilies, and some chicken broth, and salt, and chicken breast. So let me get started on this easy recipe, and I'm going to be serving it over these noodles here today. Okay. It's really beautiful here today in Georgia. It was a little cold last night though, but it's supposed to get up I think around the 70s today. So it's going to be really nice for a good walk today. So I'm going to put in my chicken breast. Let's see, before I do that, I think I want to put a little onion on the bottom. But it's not going to hurt anything. Okay. I had all of these ingredients here today, and I really didn't feel like going to the store and getting up a recipe. So I was looking through my pantry and everything, and I came across this crock pot recipe, and I thought it would be really good to try today. Let me move that out of the way. Okay, I'm going to put some more onions on top. Now then I'm going to put in my cream of chicken soup. Now then I'm going to add in my tomatoes. And my green chilies. Okay, and my chicken, let's see, I'm going to put in some more onions. Okay, and then I'm going to add my 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And then my chicken broth. And I'm going to be cooking this on low for about 6 to 8 hours. And right before it's done, I'll be cooking my noodles and serving it over it. And if you want to add some black pepper in this, you can, but I'm not doing it right now. So I'll be back today and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, I'm back and my MexiCali chicken has been cooking on high for 2 hours and on low for 4 hours. And it really smells good. And I cooked my spaghetti noodles for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to serve this up some. Okay. I'm trying to get this chicken out now. So now I'm going to get some of the chilies and onions. Okay, I'm going to put this other one up. And dip out some more of this goodness in here. It's green chilies and tomatoes. Doesn't that look good? Okay. I'm going to sprinkle some of this Mexican blend cheese on. Alright, I'm ready to eat. What about you, Calvin?
Oh, I'm definitely ready. That looks great, Marie.
Okay, I'm going to do the taste test now. This is for the interested eating spaghetti on camera. Hi. I'll get a piece of this chicken. Boy, it really cut good. Get a little bite of this. These noodles. Let's try the chicken. That has a really good taste to it. Alright, this is really delicious and it's an easy crock pot meal, and just about everybody will have these ingredients in their kitchen, I think, because I did. So in Georgia, I really enjoy these crock pot meals on these hot days. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my